up, flex, thumb down that, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it up, no sleep, might crash, might wreck, but first die, stretch, tell them run it up.
Yo, Sakai Fett, what's good, Does Nation? Peace, love, and the most essential, man. Welcome back to the channel. So, you read the title, you seen the thumbnail. These are my top 8 side hustles that I'm doing right now that anybody can get into. And every single one of these side hustles I personally do, and I personally make decent money. I typically only go for like $120 to $150 a day, and then I keep it pushing. I love side hustles because it enables me to keep all the money that I'm making from my actual business, reinvest it back into the business, as opposed to using that money to pay bills and do other things like that. Also, side hustles, you can learn valuable skills, you could network, you can learn and meet different types of people that you could plug in your services, you feel me? So with that being said, man, these are in no particular order. These are just what I'm currently doing and what you should probably look into doing too, man. So number one, let's get right into the video. Number one is delivery services, more specifically like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and something called Instacart. Now with Uber Eats, if you guys don't know, which I'd be surprised if you don't, it's basically an extension of Uber, but instead of driving somebody, you would actually be getting food from restaurants and then delivering it to the customer. Now, I like Uber Eats, but sometimes I prefer Instacart for this reason right here. Uber Eats, the average order size will probably be anywhere from literally $2 to, on a good day, it might be like a $19 order. I'm in a smaller city, so the average order size I would say would be about $8 to $10, right? With Instacart, the average order size will be anywhere from $17 to about $60. Even though, you know, with Uber Eats, you just drive to the restaurant and you get the food and you go. Sometimes there's a wait, like a 10-minute wait, something like that. But with Instacart, you're actually a personal grocery shopper. So you go into the store, you get the items, scan the items. Now that might take an hour, but if it's a big order, I've seen $60 orders on the regular, you're gonna make $60 for like that hour. So with that, I'll probably take 3 orders and I'll make a calm 180 and I'll keep it pushing. I'll cut it off for that day because I'm not trying to put too much wear and tear on my car. Delivery services is definitely one of my favorite side hustles because it's quick. You don't really have to be bothered by anybody. You can set your own schedule. You can go at your own pace for the most part. And you get to meet people and network, and I'm always plugging in my services. I'm always getting people, you know, like my business card and things of that nature, man. So that's my first side hustle that I use personally to make decent money. You can definitely get in. And again, you don't gotta be like me and stop at $150. You can do a full-blown shift. I was in one restaurant and I met this dope ass Nigerian dude. He was telling me how this is his full-time job, and I was like, damn, for real? And he showed me his pay stub. He's making $2,000 a week doing DoorDash. You feel me? So the opportunities and the potential to earn great money doing these services is great. My man is making $2,000 a week, $8K a month, dropping off foods. Definitely look into it, man. It's a great side hustle. Number 2, my favorite. You guys know this by now. My favorite. If you are an OG subscriber, if you are Does Nation, you know I love digital e-products. A lot of you guys ask me, how do I travel so much? How do I afford to stay in these places? It's simply how I positioned myself, my lifestyle, and my business with my e-products. So digital products, if you are in college right now, you have knowledge that somebody needs. Why not monetize that and turn that into an e-product? So you can make an ebook where you can sell it. If you have social media, even if you have 100 followers, those are potential leads. So you can monetize your passions and you can sell it digitally to where now you earn an income. And if you take half of that profit that you're taking from the ebooks or e-services, you could run ads. And now you have, leads and traffic coming into your e-product. E-products is a great side hustle. I utilize digital products heavy in my business model. I believe in being able to help people all across the world, and freeing up your time and just being able to help more people than what you could physically do if you was only in one location. So that is the second side hustle. It's monetizing your knowledge and putting it into a digital product. Number 3, affiliate marketing. This is something that you guys have heard me talk about a lot. One of the easiest ones to get into, although it's not as good as it used to be, but I've made thousands of dollars on this one, and I've showed you guys my receipts. go check the videos, you feel me? Amazon Associates is free to sign up. You enter in your information. What I used to do is I used to literally message every contact in my phone a list of products that I thought that they might like, and when they click the link, you know, and they purchase it, I make a commission. I've had $1,500 months, you feel me, off of Amazon Associates and other affiliate programs that you can sign up for and make a lot of money, you feel me? All my students in my course know I've showed you guys all my real numbers. I've had great months. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make some extra income. It's a nice little side hustle that, you know, it could be passive, it could be earned, but either way, it's a nice little gig where you can make some extra money from the crib too. You could be chilling in your room making thousands of dollars, all right? So moving into number 4, I'm a little bit biased, but it's this right now. Yeah, this right now is YouTube. YouTube is a great way to make side income. Yes, it does take a little bit now to get monetized. It's not as easy as it used to be, but once you get the ball rolling, it could really be a decent source of income. I've had upwards of $10,000 months here on just the AdSense alone, not even considering, you know, sponsorships and affiliate marketing and other deals and stuff like that. With that being said, YouTube is a business, so it does require more, you know, hard work, but who's to say that you can't have a regular job and then do this on the side? So this is a great side hustle. YouTube is not my main business, but it's a good portion of my business for the traffic that it brings. So YouTube is an amazing side hustle, man. I definitely recommend that if you're watching this, consider starting a, you know, like a channel, man. For real, consider starting a channel. Number 5 on this list, and a lot of people don't know about this one right here, is cleaning Airbnbs. Now this is a great hustle. Listen, a lot of you have too much pride and you're like, oh, I can't be no janitor. Okay. Listen, I've had $1,000 weeks from just cleaning Airbnbs, and it's honestly not that hard. It's not that hard, you feel me? You take a couple of hours out your day, like you go to the spot, you clean it, and you get $1,000 a week extra. I'm somebody that whenever I need to make some money, whenever I need some income, some extra income so I can do things that are in my vision, I'm gonna do whatever I gotta do. You can find these janitorial jobs on Craigslist, on Indeedjobs.com, and it's very simple. You get to be solitary. You just go to an Airbnb, you clean it up, and you collect, man. And $1,000 a week is what I make because I do it passively on the side. But I have friends personally that make $2,500 a week cleaning Airbnbs, and that's all they do. And they're living a good life being a janitor. So don't turn your nose up to certain jobs. Very humble beginnings, you feel me? Parents of immigrants from Haiti. Listen, I'm telling you right now, as somebody that has had $10,000, $15,000 months in my business, I'll go clean the bathroom real quick. There is nothing that I'm above, you feel me? So that's a great side hustle right there, is cleaning Airbnbs. Number 6 is being a freelancer on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork. And no, this ain't sponsored, but if you have a skill, if you know are good at something, you can go put your services on a platform like Fiverr, and you can be a graphic designer, you can be a consultant, whatever it is that you're good at. Yeah, I know, African King Dud in the back. Whatever it is that you're good at, you can go on Fiverr and you can do gigs, you know, charge however much you want to charge and make money. And the good thing about Fiverr and those types of platforms is that they advertise you and push you in front of a new audience, new leads as you start to do better. So I definitely recommend freelancing. What is it that you're good at? Are you good at drawing? Are you good at running Facebook ads? Are you a marketer? What's your expertise? And whatever it is, I'm telling you, you can go on Fiverr. If you just lost your job and you got laid off, you can go on these platforms and you can literally be an independent contractor and you can go make money. Alright, so moving into number 7, simple. Teaching a language. You know what I'm saying? Teaching a language online to somebody that wants to learn a language. Ou konon mse yon moun ki pale un paquet lang, you know what I'm saying? Sabes que hablo mucho ese idioma. Siempre practico con mucha gente de todo países. Je parle beaucoup de langues. You feel me? I speak a lot of languages myself. So this is a great side hustle to teach somebody, whether they want to learn English, whether they want to learn French, whether they want to learn Spanish. You feel me? I speak multiple languages. So you can go teach somebody for maybe 3-4 hours out the day, make a little bit of money. Personally, I've made an average of an extra $300 a week from teaching a language for like 45 minutes at a time. Yo, an extra $300 a week for like 2-3 hours of your time. I'm telling you, I used to work on my feet for 10 hours, making $9.50 at Target. So now it's like, what? $300 for 3 hours of work? That's another side hustle that you can definitely go look into, is teaching another language. Even if you only speak one language, somebody wants to learn that language. If you speak English, a lot of people want to learn how to speak English, so you can go teach somebody English. And then, listen, man, number 8, finally, don't judge. I'm gonna tell you right now, don't judge. But this joint right here, I made a lot of money doing this, all right? Now, with this being said, man, I'm not tricking you guys off or nothing like that. I'm just sharing, you know, side hustles that I do. Number 8 is simple: being a sugar baby. Now, before you start to judge, let me explain. I personally had women pay me upwards to $2,000 just to spend a day with me, 2 days with me, and it doesn't, listen, it's not what you think. It doesn't have to be physical. Some people just want to actually spend time with you. Sometimes it's literally like a whole day of I'm just consulting them. They want to ask me questions about business. They just want to ask me questions. They want to connect with somebody. Some people just want you to sit next to them. Some people just want you to just talk to them. It doesn't have to be physical. It's not what you're thinking. And I've been paid upwards to, I think the highest a client has ever paid me was about $3,500, and that was for a weekend. And again, it's not what you think, you feel me? I'm not trying to, you know, but a lot of people just want to actually sit down with you and talk. I've consulted a lot of people. I've helped them out through certain issues. You feel me? And honestly, some clients are married, and again, like I'm saying, it's not physical. Some of them just want to actually be around masculine energy. And if you look good, which if you are a subscriber and you're working out with me and you're taking care of yourself and you smell good and you're eating good and you're healthy, a lot of women, you know, listen, it's the truth. A lot of women fetishize, you know, black men. It is what it is. I'm being 100% transparent with y'all. And so a lot of them literally want to, you know, like touch like my muscles or whatever. Again, it's never anything physical of that nature. It's nothing crazy, nothing weird. Some of them just want to walk around the mall. They want to talk to you. They want to, you know, literally just have energy around them. And I've been paid anywhere from $500 to $3,500. I've had, you know, offers of people flying me out and just wanting to drop a bag on me. You feel me? So being a sugar baby is an option. Obviously, there are sugar babies that do other things, you feel me, that actually have sex with the clients. I'm not one of those. I'm putting that out right now. You feel me? But you know, there are some people that just literally want you to stand like with your shirt off. They want to, you know, literally paint a painting of you naked. They want to do all these different things. I'm personally comfortable with the art stuff and da-da-da. That's another possibility. I'm being 100% honest with you guys, as I always am. I'm very transparent with you guys. Being a sugar baby has paid me thousands of dollars, you feel me? A lot of women just want to make paintings of me. They want to talk to me. Some of them are a little bit weird and they want to smell me, and they want me to like flex. And I can't even believe that I'm saying this on camera, but I'm just being honest. I'm not ashamed of it because I'm not out there tricking ass. I'm posing for paintings. I'm talking to people. I'm consulting people. I'm sitting down with people, having lunch with people. Just giving energy, and it pays well. So just look into it. You can find some of these gigs on Craigslist. You can find some of these gigs on Reddit. People are talking about it, even on Indeed.com. And again, you don't have to sell, you know, sex or be weird. I don't do that. If it's sitting down with somebody talking, if it's just giving energy, then like I'm all for that, man. So that's my top 8 side hustles, man. Comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. Are you gonna do these too? I would love to hear your opinion, man. As always, peace, love, and prosperity. I'm out.